Hello guys, if you have a Samsung this model and you can see the ice box cover is locked, it's not coming out. Let me show you how to do that, how to remove the cover. You can buy this kind of the steamer from the Amazon, so you can see the hose. So initially you have to see in the bottom the hole. You can see this is steamer, so ice is locked inside. Then you can steam in couple of minutes. Then inside the ice it will be melted little bit, not too much. Then you can use this kind of the flat screwdriver. Let's go inside and push this area, press little bit, then it can be come out little bit. If it is stuck, still it is stuck, you can use this kind of, this is also the tools for the garden, but whatever, you can use these tools. And you can see on the top ice is locked here, so you can remove this ice inside and you can gently take it out the box. And let's show inside. See, there is a huge ice, so all the ice supposed to be melted. So every year if you just clean regularly, so there will be no more ice inside. But if you are not cleaning every year, so you can see the bunch of ice inside and locked the drawer. Thank you for watching.